Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of KLIQQO. KLIQQO is a software that is put together by one of our members at MOF by name Olusegun Omoba. So KLIQQO actually allows you to track clicks, redirect links, split test, and also to retarget. So guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details and also giving you a full demo of how this app truly works. But don't forget to click the bell icon down below for notification, leave a comment, and click the like, share, subscribe button. And as usual, guys, I shall be adding 5 of my awesome bonuses today once you grab through my link that is also in the description box below. So with KLIQQO, guys, let me show you guys the bonuses that I've added. So I have 5 of my awesome bonuses today. The first one is the CPA income crusher, and then the second one is the list building on steroids. The third one is the Fuego multiplier, and then the fourth one is the ultimate traffic mantra. The fifth one, of course, you have access to all the vendor bonuses, guys. So with just the front end, even if you're buying the front end, you have access to all my 5 bonuses, guys, plus 10 that Phil has already added. But remember to purchase within this time frame, because if this clock resets to 00, I'm not promising that you have access to all these bonuses that I've mentioned. But if you purchase within this time frame, I'm assuring you that you have access to all the bonuses that I've mentioned. So speaking of what the benefits of this app are, let me take you to the sales page. Let's see what Phil is saying today about this app. So this is the sales page. So he's saying that they join thousands of affiliates using link tracking retargeting software, and of course you have limited time sale, which is 75% off now. So if you purchase now, you have 75% off. And it says also that if you aren't link tracking, retargeting, and split testing, you actually dooming yourself to failure. So guys, grab this app so that you'll be able to have these features installed to be able to monitor your progress in online marketing. So you can split test, you have a short URL system, detailed statistics, convenient access. Of course, you have password protection. You also have sales dashboard. The cloud is cloud hosted, and then you have super fast and retargeting, and also unlimited campaign, guys. So these are the features of this software that I just read out. So Phil is telling us today that once you grab KLIQQO, that you have all of this that I've mentioned as a benefit. Now guys, let me take you to the 5 steps you need to deploy to get this up and running. So the first one, like he has said, is to create a campaign, and in a minute I'll also show you guys how you can create the campaign. The second step is to turn on the split testing, retarget your traffic. Of course, it is password protected, and then you watch the dollars roll in. Now I have shown you the steps. Let me take you guys to the bonuses that he has added. So the first one is the Affiliate Pro software. So you can easily build your own list through your affiliate links. It is autopilot also. And then the GeoVisitor software, you target your content based on your visitors' geographical location, which is awesome. And then the third one is the lead book generator software. So it is a plugin that you can easily integrate Facebook lead ads with your autoresponder and have your leads added to your mailing list automatically. The fourth one is the Opti ROI software. So this will help you to maximize profits regardless of what niche you are in. And then the fifth bonus is a paid traffic pack. Sixth one is the geo-targeting pack. The seventh one is the marketing automation. The eighth one is the Pinterest marketing. The ninth one is the split testing. And of course, the 10th one is the social marketing. So guys, these are the bonuses that he has added, a total of $7,367, and you will be getting this for free today, just at $17. And not just the bonuses, the 10 that he has added, you also have mine included. All you need to do is to click on the link that I've shown you in the description box below, so you have access to all of these, guys. Okay, let me quickly take you guys to the let me take you guys again to my sales page, since we're already talking about the prices and the upsells. So like I mentioned earlier, the front end, you have $17. So basically you have the Kliqqo Pro and then the Unlimited, so which is $17 and then $47. So you have access to the powerful Kliqqo Pro and Unlimited software and training modules. And like I've already mentioned the features to you guys, and these are some of the benefits which I did mention also. And then let's take a listen to how you can actually create a campaign.
Change the style of it. Let me just show you how your users would create a campaign. Just go in and click create campaign, and it's got a very simple 4-step wizard here for doing link tracking. So first of all is their campaign title. This is for their own internal use, so it's going to call test A. Now the long URL, this is the URL you want to redirect people to, and we've got split testing as well, which I'll show you in a second, but I'm just going to send people to this news website just for the demo. And now we have the short URL that you will use then, or what your customers will use to send their traffic through. So you can either use a randomly generated URL, or you can customize one yourself. So I'm just going to make a custom one, and they just click check to make sure it's available. It says green, it goes green if it is available, and we click next. Now we have split testing as an option. This is pretty cool. Now the split testing is really done by in combination with the destination page. So if you had 3 different sales pages, and each sales page had a different buy button, you're going to see where the sales came from. This function here, when you turn on the split test, it lets you add the different links, and then Kliqqo will evenly distribute the traffic between those links, and people can then determine which result works best for the split testing. So I'm going to leave that off for now, but just wanted to explain it. Next one is tracking. This is for retargeting, so it's pretty cool. A lot of tracking apps wouldn't have this, so it's a really strong selling point for your customers. And I've seen apps that just do only this. What this does is it lets you paste in your Facebook or any other platform's retargeting code, so that either would be in the head or in the body. And what this does then is it captures the click before the redirect is done. So in that way you can build up your custom Facebook audience. So everybody who clicked on my link just now could be added to my Facebook audience for this campaign. Normally that's something you can't do because you're sending people to an external website, so we've perfected that. And the last main function here is password protection. So if you want to, for some reason, password protect the link redirect, so you can even use this for things like bonus delivery or sending client stuff. You can just set up a redirect with a password protect, and you have to give people the password then. So you just enable password protect, and it'll set up the password protection here. So I'm just going to set this up now. It also has a password page style. You can set that as a color, or upload images, use or built-in library, or upload images, or define a URL. So if you just click select from library, we've got this huge library of images that you can use then. So we can just pick one of these. Let's pick this one. We'll then use that image, and you pick what way you want it to be styled in the back at the end of the page. Then you can turn on your logo as well. You can upload a logo, so you can really brand this and makes it pretty cool. And then we've got, you customize the text too. So we've turned on password protection. I'm just going to leave that on for the demo here, and I'll turn it off in a second. So we save that. This is what we see in our dashboard. You can edit your title at any time just by clicking on the dashboard and hitting return. It'll change the name. You can click in here to view all your stats. It gives you a map of where the traffic's from, Facebook activity, everything else, so you can see how it's performing that way. Then you can go in and edit it. You can clone your campaign. You can preview it. You can just click the link here, which will copy the link to your clipboard, or you can delete the campaign. And those are all the basic settings. So if we click on preview now, this will open up in a new window. Then the user gets presented with the page with the style you picked. You can turn on your logo, like I said. You have to enter whatever password you defined. Continue, and then we'll just continue with your redirect. So I'd set up to go to that news website, and there it does in redirect now. So it's pretty cool, all straightforward. But this really is a big in-demand app that people really. You can just jump back in now. You can see the stats. Like I said, here's my location, so it's got different stats and things kicking off there. So really, it really is very simple for you to set this up.
Okay, guys, I have shown you the how to set up the campaign. So let me take you guys to the actual members area. Once you sign in, this is what you see, guys. So this is basically what we just saw in the video, how you can create, how you can come up with all this. So this is where you can edit from. This is, if you click on it, it shows you the geographical area, of course the location, and then you can clone, you can preview, you can link, and then you can delete. So this is the options on the left hand side here. Of course, this is the dashboard. This is from where you can create your campaign. And then if you click here, you can test your link, and then you have access to the bonuses. So that's all it is, guys. It is not that complicated. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking with me today. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. And you guys stay safe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.